On the occasion of Ganesh Chaturthi, let us make a creative Ganesha art today. Welcome to Sparklebox. This is Yamini, and if you want to try such amazing DIYs, then you must definitely visit our website sparklebox.com. You can find grade-wise art and craft kits over there. Grab some interesting kits and explore the creativity in you. Now, let's start our today's DIY. Yourself and share your work with us in Instagram by tagging us to get featured in our coming up videos. Share your thoughts about this video in the comment section below. I'll be back with another interesting DIY. Until then, see you all.